Take a ride in the 2026 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote start, traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, trip computer, power windows, compass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.